Thinking about buying the Rejuvaknee Heating Knee Massager? It claims to deliver deep relief for joint discomfort with its wide heating area and 3D wraparound design. The product boasts instant heating in just 5 seconds, adjustable straps to fit various body parts, and an easy-to-operate control system. Advertised as a versatile device for knees, shoulders, elbows, and more, it sounds like a promising solution for those dealing with joint pain or arthritis. But is it as effective as it claims to be? Let's explore. While the product's concept seems appealing, customer feedback tells a more mixed story. Some users appreciate the warmth and vibration features, particularly on the knee, but many others have faced significant issues. One major complaint is the strap design. It doesn't fit larger legs or torsos, forcing some users to create their own extensions. This makes the one-size-fits-all promise feel misleading. Another concern is the limited effectiveness of the massager's vibration function. Several users noted that it only works on a small area, like the kneecap, instead of providing relief across the whole joint. Others were disappointed by the build quality, describing it as cheaply made and prone to overheating. Some even felt that the heating function was too intense, making it uncomfortable to use. Customer service also appears to be a sticking point. Users report difficulties returning the product due to high shipping costs, with one customer stating they were offered a partial refund but never received it. Additionally, some buyers complained about receiving instruction manuals only in Chinese, adding to the frustration. Overall, the Rejuvaknee Heating Knee Massager seems to fall short of its ambitious claims. While it may provide limited relief for some, its poor fit, inconsistent functionality, and customer service issues raise red flags. Before you invest, consider these drawbacks and look into alternative products that might better meet your needs.